色车票往深圳排好队，很抱歉已经买大家随上天的票。
So I'm just taking the train from Guangzhou to Shenzhen for the first time. Let's see how it goes. So this is the famous high-speed bullet train here in China. These bullet trains can go up to speeds of 350 kilometers per hour, which is about 220 miles per hour. I'm about to take this train for the first time to Shenzhen. I'm really looking forward to it. Yes.
No photo.
Sorry, no photo. Really? So I got myself a first class ticket for £10, about 90 yuan. And we're off. Okay, so we've arrived at Shenzhen station. It's okay, thank you. It's okay.
Hong Kong.
Transport here in China is very efficient. My journey was very smooth, very fast. And now I'm going to take the metro back to my hotel.
也及时就医，多谢合作。
All the train stations here in the major cities look pretty much the same, but so far I think Guangzhou is cleaner and a lot bigger than Shenzhen's. But I think it's too early to make a judgment right now. As a foreigner living in China, I think it's very useful that the train names have the English translation underneath. Also, if you can hear, they announce the names of the station in Mandarin, Cantonese and English, which is very useful. I have arrived at my stop, Laojie, where my hotel is. As you can see, the trains here are very modern, very clean, and they have several monitors on the train, so if you get bored you can watch some adverts, some TV. Okay.
乘客您好，欢迎乘坐公交车。疫情期间，疾控部门温馨提醒您，上车前请您务必佩戴好口罩。
So that whole journey cost me 2 yuan, which is about 20 pence. Much cheaper than most of the transport in the world, and definitely much cheaper than London. The train stations here are so massive, they have several exits. So here, A to F, normally the train stations are extremely packed, so all of these exits are very necessary. Such an efficient journey, 138 kilometers in 40 minutes. I have finally arrived here in Shenzhen at Dongmen Pedestrian Street. So I'm going to go and check in at my hotel, which I believe is this one over here. I'm going to be posting many videos here in Shenzhen, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So after you get off public transport here, don't forget to spray